has around 118 islands. This is the Dodge of Venice. Amazing. Looks like you are in a wonderland. This is the Academia Bridge. Come to this corner of the restaurant. Lights on the other end. Hey everyone! Welcome to Venice. It's a gathering of islands which has around 118 islands close by to each other. These are all taxis. As you can see in front of me, another tower which is leaning. This is the integral part of Venice because this is a commercial port. This is the Dodge of Venice. Of Gothic architecture, the very symbol of Venice. And you can see the gondola ride.
This is the Bridge of Sighs. It connects Doge's palace to the prison. Legends say that the prisoners sighed as they glimpsed freedom for the last time.
That's the St. Mark Basilica. Just besides the Basilica is the St. Mark Square, which stretches until the end. This is the bell tower. And here is the clock tower, which actually has a clock on it. And also on top of it there's a bell. The architecture is amazing. Looks like you are in a wonderland. Busy streets. This is the street for all the high-end brands. It's 6 p.m. right now, and the roadside shops are already closing up.
But yeah.
The t-shirt of these guys. It reminds me of if you would watch DuckTales, the thieves that were there. I don't know what was the name, but they used to wear the same kind of t-shirts. These are all certified drivers or the boatmen. So just not anybody can get a gondola and start this business. So these are all certified people. This tower is also leaning. All the towers in Italy are leaning. This is the Academy Bridge, and this is the oldest bridge of Venice. It's all made out of wood. Ordered some seafood pizza as well as spaghetti, so now I'll enjoy it. Smacznego. This is the famous Suso gelato, and we are in the line. Suso is one of the very famous ice creams in Venice, and you can see there is a long line. And after having this ice cream, I'll let you know is it worth the wait or not. So I took this flavor, and it has real fruits in it. I like it. That's the police boat. So we are at the bridge of the Grand Canal. If you want to make good pictures of the bridge without much disturbance from the people or the public, you could come to this corner of the restaurant. The restaurant name is Ristorante Al Busos, and that's the corner. And you can take perfect pictures from this location. So we have a gold shop on top of this bridge. Wow, it's very colorful and lots of lights on the other end. We just came down the Grand Canal, the bridge of the Grand Canal, and you can see this side is more happening. A lot of people out here. So that is it from Venice. I hope you like this one. See you in the next one. Until then, have a beautiful time.